Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your device port number on your Cisco switch. Let's say you have a device connected with your one of your Cisco switch and you are not able to find out its port number. So here is the command. The command is show MAC address table dynamic pipe sign include. So here we have to type the last four digits of our MAC address and hit enter. So it gives us the output. The first thing is the VLAN, then MAC address, then its type dynamic or static, and here is the port number. There is also another command which gives you the MAC address, which is show MAC address table dynamic interface gig 1/0/15. For example, if you have connected a non-manageable switch here with this port and that non-manageable switch has more than 3 to 4 devices connected, so here it will give you the list of all the devices connected with non-manageable switch. So let me show you an example of this as well. So we will run the command show MAC address table dynamic interface gig 1/0/12. So here, as you can see now, we have almost 5 devices connected with this port. Actually, we connected a TP-Link switch with this port. So that's why it's showing multiple MAC addresses. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.